All right, guys, helpful little tip here. If you guys don't know where the VIN location is on the early 50s Cadillacs, on a 59 and 60, they're actually on the top frame rail on the driver's side. On early 50s Cadillacs, they're on the top frame rail on the passenger side. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take a wire brush like this, super simple, and I have already cleaned this one off so you can see it right there. But it's right, this is your fender well right here that I'm tapping on, and then right here on the top frame rail is your VIN number. And also on Cadillacs, they put a star at each end of the VIN so that you can tell that it's never been tampered with, added to, or anything like that. So anyway, I hope this little video was helpful for some of you guys out there. And as you can see, there is your VIN number. Have a great day, everybody.